Should you buy XRP right now? Well, hopefully this video will help answer these questions that I think everyone is asking themselves right here, right now. As we dive into the overall market conditions, I'll share with you guys my thoughts and kind of what I see happening with XRP moving forward. We've had over $1 billion in liquidations, and now XRP bouncing off some support, finding some footing above $2. I want to share with you guys kind of not just my sentiment, but also we'll get into kind of what David Schwartz, Ripple CTO, their Chief Technological Officer, and his thoughts on how this is a Ripple buying opportunity if you want to buy XRP. So let's get into some of the comments and concerns that you guys might be having. Leave them down below in the comments box. Also, guys, if you're watching on YouTube, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And on X, be sure to follow me at TCryptoMark is my handle. Appreciate you all, and let's get right into it. So first and foremost, the buying opportunity. That's what we're here to talk about. I'll never tell you guys, though, to buy or sell a crypto. I'll never give financial advice, but as we look into kind of what's happening in the last hour, the markets have turned green. Over the last day, though, we are still into the red, and as we look at XRP, what we're doing here, fourth in market cap, $2.12. We did dip down as low as $1.92 in the last 24 hours. So yes, that would be essentially like a pretty much a 5%, if you want to call it that, just a little bit of a swing that we've seen. If you just bought XRP below $2, you were able to capitalize on some opportunity along the way. So what does this mean for XRP holders? Well, guys, relax. First and foremost, as we look at the yearly chart, you can still see we're up over 249% on the year, getting as high as $3.30. Albeit this was when we were talking about XRP down in the 40s in terms of just 40 cents. We've been covering XRP through the litigation with the SEC, the ongoing battle. And this is something where if you guys have been in the trenches with me, you know exactly what I'm talking about. We're okay. Okay, we are so okay because I think that this is the most pro-crypto environment that we've had as a crypto trader, at least myself personally. As we look into kind of what's happening with Donald Trump, I know we talk tariffs, we talk regulations. We got a crypto summit for food for thought, and it just did not result in the price action, more manipulation, more buying the rumor, sell the news that we've actually anticipated seeing, and that's what's left us right here at a level just slightly above $2. Okay, so as we look more so into it, guys, I will show you guys XRP on the chart, and we are going to use BTCC to do so. If you guys are looking for a new exchange, you want to get started trading spot and futures, I am partnered up with BTCC. There is a link down below. Feel free to sign up after you do your due diligence. It is one of the longest exchanges withstanding, a lot of track record, and something available to U.S. clients to trade futures. So that's kind of a good thing. If you guys are into that kind of thing, use my link down below to sign up today. There are some promotions involved with getting involved with BTCC, but Ripple and XRP trading at $2.12. It's up about 5% over the last 24 hours as we look at that 24-hour change. So a little bit of a rebound as we look into this green candle starting to form. What will happen, guys? And this is where we look into some of the chart to show you guys. If we zoom out, XRP is not getting as hit hard as other cryptos out there. Okay, I know it's not the $3 plus XRP that we all kind of longed for, that was not going to be the end of the run, but it is something where a lot of cryptos are down even further. So the strength during times of weakness is something that XRP is holding up some resilience along the way. So something to keep in mind as we trade further. Okay. Now, what is David Schwartz talking about? Okay, so breaking the silence about what is going on with XRP kind of echoes my sentiment. He's not concerned. All right, while Bitcoin takes another dip, this is something where he looks at XRP as a opportunity, just another moment in the market cycle. Okay. And I kind of have to agree with that, because if you do like crypto and you like what's happening, you have to expect volatility along the way. And this is something where a lot of people were jumping on the bandwagon, FOMOing into XRP when we were at above $2.50, above $3, and now we are left here sub $2 even a little bit earlier in the last 24 hours, where you got to ask yourself, would you rather buy it now or once all the dust settles and we get to where we're going to? Because nothing has changed. XRP is still delivering. We still have the strategic reserve, including ADA, XRP, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, those things have all been known. Regulation seems to be on the downtrend. We actually have the a rumor going around that the SEC will be no more. So time will tell what will happen in terms of the macro, but as these tariff talks continue, this is something that's going to plague the market with some volatility moving forward in a way that I don't think we've seen thus far as traders, okay? The idea behind this, though, is you look into kind of what's happening within the political landscape. We do have that adoption of the Bitcoin Reserve. This is a formalized plan by the new administration, and it kind of boggles me a little bit. Everybody wants to post on X. They want to make comments about how, Trump is dumping XRP on XRP holders, okay? Just because, a name that's going to be basically a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Well, who knows what will happen, but I will say that I think that they do have a plan for XRP. I think this is something that's been in the works. Brad Garlinghouse obviously having that VIP seat at the Crypto Summit. I'm not really too concerned about that because XRP was doing fine, and this is even without speculation, right? $3 without speculation, just Donald Trump taking office. And then now all of a sudden we get, we're going to buy a crap ton of XRP within the reserves. The narrative continues, and then all of a sudden everybody starts panicking based on the tariff talks. And without the Crypto Summit, without kind of this deregulation that we're seeing, or pro-regulation, whatever you want to call it, I still think that the tariff talks would have taken place. The volatility would still been present, and NASDAQ, the talks of recessions and that further drop-off that we saw within the NASDAQ would still have all occurred, okay? You can't really change that, but this is kind of where you want answers. You want to know now, is XRP going to continue to go down, or is it going to go up, and is this a buying opportunity? Well, my answer to that question, and obviously I will never tell you to buy or sell a crypto, but in my opinion, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. The narrative is still there. XRP is still seemingly doing exceedingly well in their roadmap and what they look to institute within government and how this strategic reserve unfolds. However, we just have a lot of macro right now in our way. So that's going to kind of leave you all with the big question right now, the elephant in the room. Should you buy XRP? Well, you got to do what's best for you and yourself financially. But I will tell you guys one thing, as someone who's bought XRP along the way, all the way up from 40 cents to where we are at right here, right now, nothing has changed in my opinion. So I'm still looking at dollar cost average into my position. I'm still trying to look into kind of the long play within XRP. And you got to ask yourself, in 2030, would you rather have yourself owning XRP right now at around $2, or would you rather have it, at those levels that we would see in 2030? Okay. The liquidations are continuing. This is an ugly, ugly thought. Just to look at the charts and look at all the data. The numbers don't lie. The liquidation is not pretty. However, as we continue to trade XRP and look into kind of what's happening, there's really no other position that I can have other than being long in XRP. So I wanted to share with you guys my thoughts. I want your thoughts to know them. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Is this over? Do you think crypto's dead? I don't think so, but a lot of people are entitled to their own opinion. Please leave me a comment. Also, be sure to subscribe before exiting this video. And if you are following along on X, follow me on that platform if you have not already done so. Okay, so have a great rest of your day. Enjoy it. We'll have updates along the way. Also, I did talk about BTCC. If you want to sign up with that exchange, there is a link down below in the description if you want to join and start trading with us on that platform. And we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.